Hey everybody, Marion the Barbarian here, and we got a great shave for you today. I'm excited about this shave. Just super excited. We are going to be using Noble Otter. I believe it's called green tea, but it is not written in English. But I believe that's what it is. All right. Base ingredients are going up. This scent is awesome. I'm going to get into that in just a second, but I wanted to point out this scooped really easily, was really small, soft, and easy to put in the bottom of the bowl. But when you press on it, it's like very dense. There's not a big impression, and that's a lot of, pressing. So it's a very dense, soft soap. So it's like well packed, but when you scrape across the top, it comes off easily, smears in the bottom of the bowl. I like their labels. Here is one of the coolest things about their labels. Grapefruit, orange flower, mountain fog, green tea, jasmine sambac, whatever, S-A-M-B-A-C, tonka bean. So this is very jasmine-y off the top, and then I'm getting and the jasmine's a little honeysuckle-like, but it's jasmine. That's why I like jasmines. Very similar to honeysuckle. You get the green tea, and the grapefruit really does a good job of if you ever put lemon in green tea, I did when I was younger. I would put it in hot green tea when we go to the Chinese restaurants. Whipped it up. Captain's Choice bowl. And I did not use a lot of soap this time, less than I'd normally use, with the Envy shave brush. And guys, I need to pull it out. I hadn't loaded the razor. So let's load the razor before we put the lather on the face and it possibly dries and all that good stuff. What are we going to use? What are we going to use? All right. Treet. One use for me. Black Beauties. You'll just get them out of my cabinet. It was just the first one stacked on 6 different packs I have in there. Quite a few of the packs are Willies. Treet Black Beauty. Double wrapped, no glue or wax bumps. Very cool. Did I tell you what we're using? Henson, the plus or aggressive plate. In aluminum, the AL13. I think the razor company is the only one that carries it. It only comes in gray, I think. Or it's always in one color, gray. I think the regular anodized aluminum was one for a while, but I'd like to get it in colors, but I totally understand why you can't get it in colors. Colors are a subjective thing for the most part, and if you get neutral stuff like this gray or the silver, you're gonna sell more. Not everybody likes blue, not everybody likes red, not everybody likes green. So you kind of understand where I'm going. TRC is pretty much from what I think is hey man, I'll buy it. People want this razor, I don't know how many makes or whatever, but I got a feeling, I don't know this. This is just how I view and think it probably happens is, hey, we want these. I know you make them. You've got designs for them. If you make 100 of them, I'll buy them. And then you don't have to worry about selling them, and you just sell them a little cheaper to me like you do your other Hensons. And that's what I'm thinking happens. Does that make sense to you guys? Wouldn't you assume that's what happened? Because we tried to get them to make that. CDB did, pushed. They were not interested in making that razor in aluminum, just period. So thank Jason, guys, because he's the one that had to have made that happen. And, if CDB can't make it happen, who can? Man, this stuff is great. I do enjoy the floral. Unisex scent for sure. I can understand why some guys don't like floral, but I like it. Like I said, you kind of get that citrusy, like a lemon in your green tea. It does settle into that. I would say scent strength's medium, but this is one of those scents that isn't bold and banging in your face. But I have smelled it since I lathered it, just kind of lingering around, kind of like Havana does from Moon Soaps. It's not bold and banging, but it's there. And you know how I say that about a lot of tea scents, you know? Like, I smell it. It's ever present the entire time. The lather is lathered up in the bowl. It's on my face. All of it. Alright, guys. I didn't put a watch on. Took it off when we got home with the kids. Henson AL13 +++ plate. Let's give it a go. Guys, if you notice, I don't talk through the first pass now. It's mainly so I can do those ASMR shorts. I talk when a stroke's not going on. I'm gonna tell you guys, so much more blade feel. I forgot how aggressive this was in comparison to the other ones. It's not aggressive, but you can nick yourself with this easier than the other ones. There's blade feel. There is legitimate blade feel. It's pretty cool. I'm happy I've got it. I used to have it in titanium, sold mine to CDB, divorced, everything. Like, money was tight, guys. So I sold it. But yeah, we sold it. Saw this came out in aluminum, and it sells out pretty decently. Or when I finally have money to get it, it sells out. I saw it was available. I had to get it. I like it. And I don't always have to have like some sexy, you know, bright color. So the kids, you know, brush teeth, use the bathroom, go to bed. All right? Well, I'll let them watch movies. It's the weekend while they're going to sleep. And after the first movie, I make them get up and go pee again. Just don't want to have accidents. And my son was telling me that they want to watch me shave off my goatee. So I did this video tonight to warn you guys that I may have been coerced into shaving off my goatee. Just because they wanted to see it done. I don't know that they wanted to stay gone. He just wants to see it shaved off and how I would do that. Because that's a lot of hair, he said. I like my goatee. Did I already talk about this earlier and just forget about it? I don't know. Yeah, I did, because I said I feel. Well, maybe I was talking to my son standing here looking in the mirror, and that's why I'm having deja vu about it. We'll see during the editing if I'm crazy or not. Okay, I like my other Hensons. I'll never pick up the other one. Any of the other ones. Unless I want to match and I just want a mild shave, I'll never pick up the other ones. This feels a little more aggressive. I can't compare it right now. I don't have it. A little more aggressive than the TRC. But the TRC is more aggressive than the medium Henson. And not even aggressive like menacing. Such a horrible term to say because you say aggressive and it scares people off. There's just more blade feel to this in the TRC razor than the mild and medium plates of Henson. But in the scheme of razors made all over the world from all different budgets, all different materials, this is not an aggressive razor when you compare it to everything else. Wow. can't tell you guys, like I'm enjoying that. It's enjoyable, scent's great. I know this green doesn't match the label like perfectly, but it's how we went. Should have used my Maritime brush, but this matched a little bit better than that because this is metallic and they have those metallic shiny labels, and has that bore knot that sheds and ticks me off. And I wanted to be excited about this shave, and I didn't want to go on about shedding boar hairs in my knot when I'm having a great shave. Like everything's great. This razor is great. It's performing well. Sorry, Moana singing. They didn't want to watch Moana. It was not their choice. It was mine. They liked the movie, but they watched Phineas and Ferb after 101 Dalmatians, and Phineas and Ferb movie was 47 minutes. It's a short movie, double episode, whatever you want to call it. The Marvel one or whatever. And I picked the third movie because if it's one that they're not really wanting to watch, if it's one they're not like asking to watch, they'll go to sleep faster. And my son's tired enough that he's at a point. There we go. He's just at a point that if I was like, no, we're turning off the TV, it's time to go to sleep, he'd break out and cry for like 3 minutes until he fell asleep. And just don't want to put him through that. I can put Moana on and he'll be asleep in like 15, 20. They're probably asleep now. All right, guys, you know the drill. Rinse up. We'll be right back. All right, guys, we are back. This was a great shave. I was excited about it. Like, you don't see me get this excited about shaves that often. I mean, oh, that's nice. Oh, good performance. Nice. Yeah, this was nice. I truly enjoyed it. I missed having the plus plate. I would tell people, if you don't like mild razors, pick this one up, man, because it's aggressive enough. It's efficient. The only thing I know some people don't like is that the head design allows for training wheels, but a lot of razors have gone that route. I feel like the Ellsworth Tricont is a little similar on the training wheels. You know, the way it's more flat, ride the cap type razor. To get the cutting angle, I would say the Bison has gone down the same route. Agreed? There we go. But yeah, head geometry, like it. Scent, guys, man, if you like a jasmine, like citrusy, I say lemon, and it does seem lemony, but then it is grapefruit. You can tell. Orange flower, I wonder if maybe that is kind of what's adding to that floral and changing the jasmine up a little. Because I don't know what jasmine sambac is. Is that a certain type of jasmine? Like one we don't get here in the South, in the States? Tonka bean. I don't get the tonka. I'm about to put the splash on. We're going to figure it out. I know I'm just like rambling on. Ramble on! So good. I'm kind of a sucker for Noble Otter. Like, I don't have any relationship with them, and I even like was a heavy critic about them changing their prices. Like, it was $32 for a set, now they're $40 for a set. But that price change kind of came overnight. There was no steady increment or anything. Whew. Grapefruit way more off the top now. And then the green tea and florals just kind of more together. Still a great scent. But yeah, I was a heavy critic, but dude, their new labels, their old labels, I like them. I like the tubs. I like the pour. I like the texture of the soap. I like how easily it lathers. I like the post. Like, I wish they were as cheap as they used to be, but they're not. Most people aren't. I'm just a sucker for it, man. I don't know why. I like their labels. I've liked them early on. They were in the first handful of artisan soaps I had ever bought. And I don't even like the first one I ever bought. I felt like it smelled like gingerbread men or something. Bar. That's their barbershop interpretation. Alright guys, I know, ending of the video, way too long. You made it this far, here is your chance. I have a Yardley shave cream tube, 1-2 mini, brand new, never used. If you're interested in it, hashtag Yardley. Here's a picture of it. And put that in there. I don't know how long I'm going to leave the giveaway up for. It's open internationally. You guys, you know, whenever, I will announce it in the community tab. So this won't even say giveaway in the title. It's for all of you people that made it this far. No, it's nothing special. So your chances of winning it's probably going to be greater because most people aren't going to make it this far. All right, guys, you made it this far. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel, hit that noti bell. You do have to like the video and be a subscriber to win. But I think whoever made it this far is people that already do that. All right, guys, check your next shave.